What you're doing is cleaning. You're removing years and years of oxidation, especially in enamel. You're gonna see paint coming off. That's perfectly fine, guys. You just remove the buildup, the contamination and stuff. Hey guys, Rob with Lukat again. We just did this section right here, but I want to do this quarter panel. I want to show you guys. Now, not all paint jobs are going to be easily cleaned. Old base coat metallics take a little bit more elbow grease, okay? But this is an enamel. Enamels clean up real easy with this right here. So I'm going to put this on. It's called Lukat Fix It, okay? It's a paint cleaner. It's not a wax. When you put this on, you don't use it like a wax because there's no wax in it. What you're doing is cleaning. You're removing years and years of oxidation, okay? Look how easily this cleans up. You just go back and forth because you're cleaning, you're not masking, you're not putting a shine on. Man, that's a big fly. Anyways, look how beautiful that's coming out. Now, I just clean it. Now, when you're working on a base coat, especially in enamel, you're gonna see paint coming off. That's perfectly fine, guys. You just remove the buildup, the contamination and stuff, okay? So I'm gonna continue cleaning, okay? Using the cleaner right here, okay? Put this up right here so get some contrast. It's not hard to use, it's easy. I mean, it's a cleaner, there's no wax in it. All you're doing is removing the buildup, the contamination and oxidation. Look at that. So as you get this cleaned up, you see it coming out. Remember, there's no shine here. I don't know if you guys can hear this. It means there's no shine there. I'm gonna continue cleaning, show you guys. If you got one of these old enamels and the paint is faded like that, just use this and you can clean a whole lot. Look at that. Just go back and forth, no circles, no wax in here. You just do this and clean her up. Look at that. So you're taking off the dead stuff, not the good stuff. Look how beautiful that's coming out. Again, I'm not waxing, I'm cleaning. So, let me see. Running out of towel here. Okay, continue here. Again, I'm using the Lukat Fix It, the paint cleaner. I'll clean this last area. I try not to do circles because this is not a wax. Okay, so I cleaned up this quarter panel. How long did it take? How many?
3 minutes.
3 minutes to do that, okay? This is permanent, no wax. Now, we do have a wax, we do recommend. What goes good is going just stay like that. Lukat Fix It, the paint cleaner. We have Lukat Easy Wax. This is a sealer. Most of the waxes you buy over the counter are shine and pop waxes. They're designed just for putting a shine on something that's already shiny. Okay, this one's designed to apply a coat of wax that seals the job you just did. So it's sealed up and protected from the environment. This is really good stuff. Use this once, twice. 3 times a year is always best because it'll seal your paint, giving it a really tough glossy shell that'll protect it from the environment. Let it dry. Once it dries up, I mean, look at that. That thing looks new. So if you wash and wax your car and it's flat and ugly, doesn't look good, you don't know what to do, you know waxers are not gonna work, Lukat Fix It, use our paint cleaner. This is the Lukat Fix It Color and Gloss Restoration Kit. Anybody can do it. You don't need a machine. Now I use machines when I detail, but you can do it by hand. I just showed you. It took us how long to do this right here?
4 minutes, 30 seconds.
4 minutes, 30 seconds. Take your sweet time. You can clean this today, and then next week come back and do the door. Because you're not masking the paint, it's not gonna wash up. This is permanently fixed. Guys, look us up at lukaddetail.com. Look how beautiful that came out. Later, guys.